What's up everyone, welcome to another whiteboard session with me, Andre. In this one, I'll explain to you what a TM means. TM stands for Translation Memory. So what a translation memory is basically a storage for all the translations that a translator did on the project for a client. Typically, the translator works on a string level. So imagine simple sentence. Let's say, hello, how are you? So let's say it's English, that's our source language, and that would be translated into the target language. Let's say it's French. Now the purpose of TM is that, let's say here we have a big TM. And the purpose of the TM is to store this translation. So whenever I'm finished with this translation and this is a valid, approved, confirmed translation, it gets stored in the translation memory. So the reason why we want to store it is the next time when the translator encounters the very same string, again, this would be, let's say, hello, how are you? He or she or they don't have to translate from scratch and spend the whole time thinking about the translation. The translation would be automatically suggested by the translation memory because it's stored in the translation memory and somebody has already translated it before and the translation has been approved. So the translation would come up automatically. And of course, this is just one example for one string. Whenever you translate project, there will be many multiple strings. So TM grows and it can have many thousands, 10,000s, million translation pairs or translation segments like this from English to French. So over time, the TM grows and we have better leverage because the TM is bigger and has more strings. So one of the reasons why we are using translation memories is to speed up the productivity. Of course, you don't want to translate the same things again and again and spend time figuring out how to translate them. It would be very ineffective and inefficient. The second reason is consistency. In most cases, whenever we have the same English sentence or string or source string, we want to have the same translation as well to keep things consistent with English. In most cases, sometimes it depends on context. We can have different translations for different same source string. And that's why we have translation memory. Ta-da!